This is for all the mommies out there. We keep ourselves so busy with taking care of everyone around us. But how often we take some time out for ourselves? Today is Self-Care Sunday, and let's take an hour or two for ourselves. Because you know you deserve it more than anyone else. Give yourself a mini facial or something. Here I am treating myself with all organic products from KISHMISH Organics. I'm totally in love with their facial masks because they keep my skin glowy and hydrated whole week. Especially my favorite one is Papaya fruit mask. This one is suitable for all skin types. After face wash, I use face toner. This one is also from KISHMISH Organics. Now I'm using coconut butter and a vitamin E lip balm. These two products are must have for winters, and do not forget to oil your hair at least once a week. And always remember, your baby wants a happy and healthy mother, not a tired and depressed one. Happy Sunday.